Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to the underside of a table and a 25-foot front bed international. Today on this Technology Tuesday, I want to talk to you about power options for some of your accessories. Join me. So the reason I'm under the table here is because there's an outlet right here. This is an inverter and a GFCI outlet. And what I have here in my hand is a Anchor. There's a myriad of brands out there, but Anchor's a pretty prominent one. And it has 4 USBs plus a USB-C here. You can get these with multiple USB-Cs and multiple USBs, various types and sizes. You can take some command strip Velcro strips and put them on your wall right here and put the other side on here. You can command strip this thing to the wall. You can face it up and down. You can put it in a bunch of places right here, and you can plug it into this outlet. So if I have that plugged into my outlet and I have this sitting here, I can still use the other outlet, and I have plenty of places to charge phones, charge headphones, charge whatever you need to charge. It sits at your table quite often, and it's a convenient place to plug in all these things. Various places throughout your rig you have USB plugs, but they're not always convenient or not always enough. This is one option for you to have on your rig that would provide you with some extra power space, and it's plugged into a inverter outlet, so you can use that no matter where you are. Thanks for joining me on this Technology Tuesday. Should you have any questions about this or anything else, please give us a call, send us a text, send us an email, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to meet you. Have a great day, everyone. Happy adventures.